Good day. Scarecrow here. Today I will talk about content marketing. Content marketing is a strategic marketing approach focused on creating and distributing valuable, relevant, and consistent content to attract and retain a clearly defined audience and, ultimately, to drive profitable customer action. It's about building relationships through valuable information, not overt advertising. Here's a breakdown of key aspects. Core principles. 1. Value-driven. The content must provide genuine value to the target audience. 2. Audience-centric. Content is created with the audience's needs and interests in mind. 3. Consistent delivery. Regular and consistent content creation and distribution are essential. 4. Strategic approach. Content marketing is a planned and deliberate strategy, not a random act. 5. Relationship building. The goal is to build trust and long-term relationships with the audience. Types of content. 1. Blog posts, informative articles, how-to guides, and opinion pieces. 2. Videos, educational videos, product demonstrations, and entertaining content. 3. Infographics, visually appealing data representations. 4. Ebooks and white papers, in-depth resources on specific topics. 5. Podcasts, audio content on various subjects. 6. Social media posts, engaging content shared on social platforms. 7. Email newsletters, regular updates and valuable information delivered to subscribers. 8. Case studies, real-world examples of how products or services have helped customers. 9. Webinars, online presentations and interactive sessions. Benefits of content marketing. 1. Increased brand awareness, helps people discover your brand. 2. Improved SEO, high-quality content can boost search engine rankings. 3. Lead generation, attracts potential customers and generates leads. 4. Customer engagement, fosters interaction and builds relationships. 5. Thought leadership, establishes your brand as an authority in your industry. 6. Customer loyalty, keeps customers engaged and coming back for more. 7. Cost effectiveness, often more cost effective than traditional advertising. Content marketing strategy. A successful content marketing strategy typically includes these steps. 1. Define your audience, identify your target audience and their needs. 2. Set goals, determine what you want to achieve with your content marketing efforts. 3. Choose content types, select the content formats that are most effective for your audience. 4. Create a content calendar, plan your content creation and distribution schedule. 5. Create high-quality content, develop valuable and engaging content. 6. Promote your content, share your content through various channels. 7. Measure and analyze results, track your performance and make adjustments as needed. In essence, content marketing is about providing value to your audience, building trust, and establishing your brand as a trusted resource. Okay. Now go, check out my other contents. Scarecrow out. Peace.